How to remove contacts on Facebook. Now let's say the contacts on your phone are added to your Facebook account so that you can easily find them on your Facebook app. Now in order for you to remove contacts on Facebook, all you have to do is to tap on your main menu right here and scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. All you have to do is to tap on that and click on Settings right here. Once you're here, all you have to do is to tap on Account Center and scroll down again until you find Your Information and Permissions right here. Once you tap on that, you will be able to see under Your Activity of Meta Technologies the Upload Contacts. All you have to do is to tap on that and click on your Facebook account right there. Now, all you have to do next is to turn this off or toggle this off, the continuous contacts upload right here. All you have to do is to toggle this off or turn this off so that those previously uploaded contacts will automatically be deleted and automatically be removed. So all you have to do is to tap on turn off right here. And now you have successfully removed contacts on Facebook. So that's how to remove contacts on Facebook. Hope it helped.